Welcome back to DJ channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Recently, I was asked one question. Can we create a single visual dashboard which contains incident, service request and problem record in ServiceNow? The answer is yes. How? We can do it using the task table. Task is the parent table for all the task type. We can do it in two steps. First, we will create a report, list type report using the task table, and then we will publish the report to the visual dashboard. Log into ServiceNow, go to the report section, click view and run and open the new window. The new window will appear like this. Click the create report. We will be landed this page. Go to the data section and give the report name. I gave incident SR problem and choose the source type as a table. On the table you select task, and the type of the report that we want to create is list. Select the list view. In the configure column we will group the output by the task type, and style format we'll give the chart title as incident SR problem, and the size of the chart title is 16 pixel, and the background chart title color is black, and horizontal element center. Okay, and then we'll come to the filter section. I have created three queries. The first query is for the task type of incident. Select the task type incident, and the incident state is not one of resolved, closed, cancelled. Similarly, we'll select the task type as a catalog task. This is for the service request, and we will not consider the tasks which are closed, complete, closed, incomplete, closed, skipped. And the third query is task type is problem, and the problem state is not one of resolved and closed. Save it and run. There are 38 incident and 15 problem record. There is a one SR that meets this condition. If you want to add any other task type, just click the new criteria and you go to the task type. For example, if you want to select the change request, you select the change request. For the time being, I am not considering the change request, so I am removing it. Save it. Now, to convert the report into the visual dashboard is very simple. I will select the assign to column, right click, and go to the third option, show visual dashboard. Just click it. Very simple, correct? So this your call line, and you can go and change the vertical line according to our need. I am just selecting the assignment group. You can select the status, severity, and also priority, but that will be confusing. Why? Because service request, incident and problem will follow the different workflow, and they will follow the different priority and severity. It always better to select other than those three fields. It would be very good if you select assignment group or assign to column or the task type, like this. If you see, it will, though we have filtered out three task type, it will list all the task type. How we can remove other lanes? Go to the advanced settings and uncheck all, And what are the tasks we want to display? Catalog task, incident task, and the problem. That's it. And additionally, we want to show code information, so attachment. That's it. We created a board which contains problem record, service records, incident. It's a single source of truth for all the work items being worked by the support team. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it. I will see you in another interesting video soon. Thank you. Bye.